In this video, I will talk about the tips to increase your online presence. Since the pandemic lockdown of movement control restriction occur around the world, businesses are changing their direction to online as a new norms. That's why having an online presence is essential now. Let's get started. The first tip is to have a website. Every buyer's journey will definitely use a search engine to look for something. If you're not present on Google, most likely you miss the first moment to your future client. Besides, having a website is also a trust to potential client. Your website is where you can show off your brand through whatever information you want. The second tip is to have social media presence. Try asking yourself, what is your target audience most active in which social media platform? Do you have an official account on host platform? In my opinion, I suggest your brand should be present on all the primary social media platforms. This is because you will never know people might be searching your brand from where, as people want to look for social proof or validation. The third tip is create and verify a Google My Business account. If you have a physical shop or office, Google My Business is a must to appear on Google Maps or Waze. Please verify the account, update all the info, especially to pin the correct location. It's completely free and quite straightforward to use. This was my other video about how to utilize Google My Business. Check the link at the description. The fourth tip is to be active online. Okay, I think most of us know how to post your content to social media platform. However, do you actively react to the comment, review or question? Please don't keep hard sales but really help to solve the issue to online audience. It can be in forum, question from Quora or the online community that most of your potential clients are concentrated. The fifth tip is using paid ads. If you know how to properly create an advertising campaign using Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, Twitter ads or LinkedIn ads, actually those two can bring incredible results to your business. If you want fast result, increase your online presence with paid ads is an effective way. Remarketing is a great way to implant your brand to a wide range of audiences. The sixth tip is influencer or KOL marketing. If you're able to find the suitable people who have the expertise and fan base to promote something, they can bring your brand to another level. Wonder why so many YouTube videos talking about the same product on the same day? Because they already have the prototype, production or review items way before the official announcement time. Okay, that's all for the 6 tips to increase your online presence for your business. Make sure you spend time to build your audience and be consistent. Thanks for watching and see you again. Remember to like, comment and share this video.